I think I found the best salt and pepper grinder on the TikTok shop. You're going to want to see this. Check it out. I've got them right here. So much better. So there's a USB-C port. They're charging, so you never have to worry about changing batteries. And by the way, these are really, really high quality. All you do is press the button. Check that out. It does an amazing job at grinding that salt. You can adjust the coarseness as well. Same thing with the pepper. Check these out right here on the TikTok shop.